Hi everyone, welcome to Stock Chart Trends. So in this particular video, we'll discuss about some stocks. So first stock which are uh, getting squeezed. One is BBIG. So regarding this Winco Venture stock, I'm thinking it may follow ABCD bullish pattern. So if you don't know what is ABCD bullish pattern, then let me share here. It's like this. So maybe we can see like this either, or we can see ABCD like this. 1 2 C A B C D. So I think right now I'm seeing we have A, B, and approximate C is there. So as I have drawn here, we may see this pattern. Let me draw it on investing.com. Like 1 2 3 4. Maybe we are targeting about like $14. So let's see what will happen tomorrow market. But I think after C we may see some sell off to maybe 9 area again, or maybe 10 area. So that is the other thing which I want to tell. So right now, if we see, I want to show this chart on without having you can see. Okay, be big. Okay, let's have it in 1 hour. So right now, if you see that yesterday trend is approximate broken, but I want to show without after hours. So what we are able to see here, that we are still in the trend. We are still holding a trend. If tomorrow it opens above that 720 or 730 area, and I will be more bullish if we cross these lines like 780 or 8 tomorrow, and if we cross this breakout. If you want to see what is this breakout, then this is all-time high line is over there at 1163, and we have one touch over here around like 938. So I was asking about this breakout. So let's see if we can break out tomorrow. As I have earlier mentioned that we need to cross this area, but today it opened a little high above this area. But anytime if this breakout happen like above the this breakout area, so if it comes down like it happened with Disney also a few days before, it came back, that whole trend came back, and it went again to that like triangle formation. So that was that's why I was a little bearish today on this stock. I don't want to buy more like early morning, but I'm still in that big stock. I bought more around like 50% of at 50% Fibonacci level. So let's see. There are a couple of setups also it did today. So here I am not able to see, but maybe with the after hour candles we may be able to see, like we have a double bottom here, like double bottom approximate. So I'm little bit more bullish. That's why on those things also. So also let's see what will happen tomorrow. We need to break this area tomorrow, like early morning, and then we have to test this one. But if we will break down, we may test this area first, then but let's see if we will stuck into this zone, or there are like three possibilities. First possibility is it will break down this area, and we may test this area, we may test this line, this resistance over there. The other possibility is it may stay in this zone, like continuation zone, and the other possibility is it may go down. That there is the third possibility to this area, but I'm hoping for good. Right now I'm hoping for two options only. It may break down to upward side, or it may stay in that continuation line, and then it will go up. As I have mentioned in AMD before, if you guys watch me, if you guys subscribed me on Twitter, I have mentioned that thing for AMD also. Like it was in that zone, then it broke down early morning, and then it was in continuation, and then we break the continuation and we touch this 114 area. It was my target at that time. So other stock I want to discuss about is SPRT. This stock is also kind of similar setup as BBIG. It's not like similar setup, but if the continuation stays up, we may touch like 93 area, and which is the big area. This is what I gave on Twitter also. Okay, so on Twitter I gave both stocks, and Amazon I gave last week as well, because here if you see we are breaking out, then I gave that signal for Amazon. But let's talk about BBIG and SPRT first. So SPRT needs to hold this 33 area which I have mentioned, and I think we well maintained this 33 area, and we are above 33. So I'm quite bullish, but tomorrow it still needs to stay above like that 40 area line, 42 area. So that is the one thing. If we break down tomorrow for SPRT, the other one thing is like it may stay in the continuation, then other thing is it may touch this other support line, which is very close to SPRT, but is still under like at 23, which is like 15 points down. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. So these are like two major stocks right now which are running running. Everyone is into those stocks. The other stock I gave, I don't think I gave it on Twitter, but let me check which stocks I gave on Twitter. Tesla I gave a few days before also. Those looks good. Like I think it may target the 780 area, and for Amazon we need to fill the gap which is at around 35 to 3600 area, which is also a good buy. So if you don't follow me, please follow me on Twitter as well, so I can give you your answers. As one guy, he was asking me a question today, so I was trying to give him some explanation. He was saying now it's in like 34-35 area, so I gave him like three options, like what will that stock do. So please follow me on Twitter as well. So also in comments you can mention your stocks as well, so we can look into those stocks. So right now these are the main stocks which I'm looking, and there's like MU. I'm still following this stock, but let's see what will happen next to this one. So right now it's still under downtrend, and I'm watching it. If it try to break down that downtrend, I'm seeing a little gap here on daily, which I think uh, as earning is coming this month, we may see a gap fill, or we may see like is trend towards like all-time high area again. So I'm hoping for good for this stock. So even riser earning is also coming, so it's still forming falling wedge here, and it's getting squeezed again and again. We may see some pullback. Earning, I think, is next month. Let's see. Their calls are very cheap for, I think, 2022 Jan 2022. But if you want to enter into those calls, that is one good option. So other stock, let me check in my account. Yeah, the stock is TIGR. As you see, guys, see, like earning is coming this month around 10th. So I see like this stock is in downtrend since February, but let's see if we can see some good news from this stock, and due to earning we may see some pullback towards like 20 area. So hoping for good for this stock also. The other stock is okay. Okay, the other stock is SAVA, SAVA, which was like good stock few last month also. So it's in downtrend. We see many gaps over here. One gap is here, two gap is here, and there are some gaps are there. So we can see a potential run up, and as it is in downtrend, we may see some gap fills also. So let's see if we try to touch this 103 area, and then we may come down. I think we may come down as here it may lose some buying pressure, but let's see. Okay, these are the stocks for today. So if you want to if you want to tell me some stocks, which are your stocks, and I can make some videos on those things, or you can leave the comments in on Twitter also, so I can give you some explanation over there. So please follow me on Twitter as well, and follow me on YouTube, and subscribe my channel, so I can get some motivation and some more confidence. So thank you.